Nurse Squad. It is your girl Celeste Janae, and I am back with another video. So today we are doing another grocery haul. Of course it's H-E-B because you know the only grocery store I go to do my grocery shopping is H-E-B. So the reason why I live in Texas too, because I don't think H-E-B is H-E-B is only in Texas. Well, some parts of Texas, San Antonio and Houston. I don't think they have it in Dallas. I live in Houston. So yes, I love H-E-B. If you like actually experienced the H-E-B, you would love it too. So little plug for H-E-B. H-E-B, if you're watching this video and you need somebody to be your on your commercial, your girl. Anyways guys, so I decided to do this grocery haul because I recently went and saw a nutritionist because, as you guys know, I've been in therapy and my therapist recommended that I go see a nutritionist because she was saying something like my not eating habits is more so like the way I view food. It's like kind of like not healthy. So she was like, I think you should like go see a nutritionist so you can kind of learn more and educate yourself more on food. So I did that, and now she gave me a plan and I went to go buy all these groceries, and so I'm going to share them with you because that's what I do. That's right, I'm gonna share it with you because that's what I do. I share the stuff that I learned with you guys so that while I'm educating myself, you guys can be educated too. So basically I'm gonna show you all the stuff I brought. Basically, it's not really a diet, it's more so just like a change, like a lifestyle change. And basically what we're doing is adding more like a whole nutrition. So typically, you guys know I was doing the 90-day challenge and like we were so strict, like literally not eating, working out really hard. And so it really like messed with my mind, like as far as like having like eating. Like honestly, I was just like, if I would eat like more than 1,000 calories, I would be freaking out. Like if I ate carbs, I would be freaking out, and it just wasn't healthy. Like the relationship that I had developed with food was not healthy. So the nutritionist helped me see that, like, you know, you can eat carbs to less, like your body needs it. And like she was just basically saying that like eating 1,000 calories is not healthy, it's not sustainable, and like you're young so you can do that, but in the long run, like it's not gonna be good, sis. She didn't say sis, but y'all know, this is how I just tell it back to y'all. So anyways, yes, I'm really excited because I'm gonna get into the video. I know y'all probably like, girl, why do you always have to just talk? But y'all know I'm a talker. So if you don't know that, hi, my name is Celeste Janae and I love to talk. If you don't like talking, this is probably not the video for you. Not playing. But anyways, prior to doing the challenge, like when I was like in college, like I ate like a well-rounded, like I had like a really well-rounded like food regimen. I never had any issues. So it's really crazy to me how like I can't like snap back into it. But anyways, I met with her today, so I'm supposed to meet with her again in 2 weeks, and then we'll see, like, you know, everything that's happening. Oh, and another thing, guys, what I thought was really cool with the nutritionist is like she breaks down everything to you about food, which I thought was cool. I like to like understand the science behind it, because when I understand the science behind it, it makes more sense to me, and I'm like, okay, I get why I need to do this because this result is going to come from doing this. So I really like that. And also, like, we did like this body composition, and it was really cool because it like showed you like how much muscle mass you had and things like that. And so she was able to explain my body type to me. So like, okay, Celeste, you have this much muscle, so don't worry about your BMI because the way your body is made, your muscle made, that doesn't mean you're obese or morbidly obese or whatever. So it was really cool. If you are able to go to a nutritionist, I would definitely recommend it. I have health insurance, so my health insurance covered it. But I think they have, I think that like some like community centers offer like free nutritionists and things like that. I think the YMCA, honestly, but I would definitely say check it out. It was really eye-opening to me, and I'm gonna stop rambling and getting to the video because I know y'all are probably like, girl, it's been 4 minutes and you haven't started, so what's up? So let's go. So we're gonna start. The first thing I have, Old Faithful ground turkey. This is Jenny O's. This is the only one I eat. Ground turkey, 93% lean, 7% fat, because we're watching our fat intake. Next we have chicken breast. So typically I eat chicken anyways throughout the week, but I normally get chicken wings. Ooh. But she said that we're just gonna do chicken breast because it has less fat. So y'all are about to see a lot of like bread products and rice and stuff, and if y'all watch my channel, y'all know that like I've done keto, I've done a lot of things that like actually restrict carbs a lot. So like it was really weird like going through that aisle and buying it, but I'm excited, so we'll see. So the first thing I got was this Flat Out tortilla rolls. They're 90 calories per flatbread. So I was like, in case I want to make like a nice little wrap, I have that. 90 calories. One thing she said we need to focus on is our fiber, because fiber is good. So this is high in fiber, 10 10 grams of fiber. I got my almond flour tortillas. This is just like a staple. Like I always have to have these in the freezer because I literally love these. This is my favorite. I got some Snack Pack H-E-B roasted pepper hummus. I like hummus. I normally get it in like the little, so what is this, Sabritas or whatever, with the pretzels, but I had already brought like pretzels, and normally with those ones it's too much hummus for the amount of pretzels, so I was like, I'll just buy the little Snack Pack H-E-B brand because I love anything H-E-B brand. H-E-B brand, you can never go wrong with it. So and I like the roasted pepper because I like spicy stuff. It's really not that spicy honestly, but I like that. Why are these paper bags like leaking everywhere? I hate plastic bags. I normally always get paper bags, but the new H-E-B I go to doesn't have paper bags. It's really annoying. Maybe I should get like the reusable bags. But anyways, so I tried these new yogurts. Obviously, as you guys know, but I don't think I told y'all this. Your girl can't handle dairy anymore. Like, I don't know. Like, I've been trying to like eat dairy products and it don't sit well. So I've been getting these dairy alternatives. So this is a yogurt alternative that I saw. This one's by Silk. It's vanilla almond milk Silk yogurt. And then they had Activia. Activia has a dairy-free vanilla cinnamon and blueberry acai. There's another one, but I just got these two. It has less calories. This one has the Activia has 120 calories, and then the Silk has 190. They're both almond based yogurt alternatives, so I'm gonna try those out. I'll let you know how it goes. I'm really excited because I know it's gonna be good because I've tried the one by what's that almond milk brand? I think Silk is the almond milk, but there's another one. The other one, they have a almond, dairy-free almond yogurt, almond milk yogurt, and it's really good. So I was like, I'm pretty sure that's gonna be good. So yeah, you already know I got my alkaline water. No need to go get that. They have a sale, it's 3 for $5. So I've been like buying it every time I go to H-E-B. This is just zero sugar Gatorade. I'm just thirsty. I was literally starving at the grocery store. So I'm actually happy that, like, proud of myself that I didn't buy stuff that I didn't need because I was really hungry. I tried this for the first time. It's the H-E-B spicy Italian dressing. When I make baked chicken, I like to put the Italian dressing on it as the seasoning. So that was new. I normally get the balsamic craft one, but I really love H-E-B brand stuff. So I was like, oh, we'll try it out and see. Bread. I'm shocked. Like, I literally haven't brought bread, like sliced bread, in like a long time. But we're working on, she told me that if I do get carbs, it needs to be whole grain. So I got whole white, 100% whole white multi-grain bread. This is also H-E-B brand. Like I said, H-E-B brand is literally tastes better than like name brand stuff. So like, I'm always gonna go for the H-E-B brand if they have it, because I literally just love H-E-B brand stuff. I also got the H-E-B brand mini rounds. These are like for sandwich. They're like sandwich thins. The like non-generic name is called sandwich thins, but I get the H-E-B brand. It's the same thing. These are 100% whole wheat. So if I want sandwiches, I have the choice of bread or thin rounds, which I probably didn't need to get both, but whatever. I got some cashews for a snack. They're already like pre-bagged. So one bag has 240 calories. Cashews typically have a lot of calories. I don't know why. This is my receipt. I spent $112. Whew. Child. I cannot. I got some more Mrs. Dash. These are my favorite ones. The onion and herb and the garlic and herb. So these are my two favorite Mrs. Dash. I always have them. I always run out. So that is that. I have so much stuff. I got these little seasoning things. I don't know if they probably were the best choice, only because, not the calories, but it has a lot of sodium, and she said I needed to watch my salt intake. So, but I got them to help like season my foods a little bit better so they can taste better. So I got Moroccan lemon chicken, Brazilian steakhouse marinade grill. It looks so good, y'all. Like, it looks good. I got a pesto sauce mix, because I'm having this tonight, and a smoky Santa Fe chicken. They're just little seasonings, just season the meat, going about your day. Box of salad. This is also H-E-B brand. This is the organic baby spinach and baby kale. Got some TK. I don't care about that, but yes. Oh, I got some potatoes. So I've actually had these before. They're really good. I haven't had this flavor. This is the Cajun style. But literally, guys, you can put them in the microwave for 6 minutes. And like right here, you can see it from the back a little better. There's like a gulp of seasoning. So like when it warms up, it expands the whole bag and the seasoning falls in. And it's just so convenient. It literally takes 6 minutes to cook and boom, you got your carb there. So I would definitely recommend that. Like I said, it's from H-E-B. I'm sure they probably sell it other places. I've only seen it at H-E-B in like the potatoes section. So if you see it somewhere else, don't let me know because I ain't gonna go there. Now I'm playing. This is just a bell pepper. I just got some peppers. This is an onion, red onion. I got some plums because I am literally obsessed with plums. I got a lot of them. So like a few months ago, I had brought some plums from H-E-B and I had only brought a few, and because I was like, oh, they're gonna have it, and I don't know why, for literally like 3 months they didn't have any plums. Like, and so now they have the plums back, so I get paranoid, so I buy a lot, but I honestly eat one a day anyway. So, and they're super cheap. That whole bag was like $1 and something. So I also found these microwavable sweet potatoes. So as you can tell about me, I like quick, easy stuff. Like I like stuff that I can like pop in the microwave, throw in the air fryer, put in the George Foreman, like, or like it needs to be quick. Like if I gotta be slaving over the stove and all that, I'm not gonna do it. So microwavable sweet potatoes, that was pretty awesome find for me. I got some 100-calorie H-E-B pretzels. Those are my favorite. I love pretzels. That's like my favorite snack. This one we have some rice. So I got, this is the minute rice. As y'all can see, microwavable. I love things that I can microwave. So this is the minute rice. Put it in. This is brown rice and quinoa. So that. And I got another one that's just brown rice. So you guys also know that I have the jasmine ones too. I have the jasmine rice. So I like that one. And they're all, you just take the plastic off, put it in for a minute, boom. It's cooked, ready to go. I got some more almonds. These are the non-salted almonds. Honestly, I tried non-salted almonds like a few months ago and it was like, it tastes way better than the salted ones. So I got these. They're 100 calories a piece. Yeah, per pack, 7 packs. I got some sunflower seeds, just the seeds for my salad. I make a salad. I'm so out of breath, oh my goodness. I got some whole wheat thin spaghetti. So in case I want some spaghetti, I already have that. I got some red beans, because I'm gonna make some red beans and rice. So that'll be a good little alternative. Ooh, here's another bag. Okay, these are just some cherries. I love cherries. I got some cherries. Strawberries. Can't go with strawberries. This is broccoli. This is also the microwavable one from H-E-B. It's the H-E-B brand. You literally just put it in the microwave for 3.5 minutes. Boom, done. And then we have our last guy. This is, oh my goodness, I don't even have space. I had to stop by Kroger to get this because H-E-B was out of certain things. So I got some bananas. I'm not really a fan of bananas, but I got them because I got some new rice cakes. These are whole grain rice cakes. These are cinnamon toast. They're actually really good by themselves, but I got that with some almond butter, the vanilla kind. This, y'all, the price of almond butter has went up so high. This thing was $11.49. Normally at Target it's like $7.49. So Corona is really messing up the world because $11.49, like I'm done for even buying it. Just stupid. But anyways, I brought that, and then I got some whole grain panini pasta. I'm having this tonight. I'm having the panini pasta with broccoli and chicken and a little pesto pasta packet I showed y'all. So I'm gonna have that. And yeah, guys, this is all the stuff that I brought. I'm looking at it and I feel like so overwhelmed because it's like literally so much stuff. But yes, that was my haul. I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'm really excited to like, it just feels good to have options, honestly, because normally like when I go grocery shopping I get fish, broccoli, salad. That's no way to live. It's not sustainable, it's not healthy. So I'm really like interested, like, oh, did I show all this? I got this H-E-B salsa ranch. I've never tried it before, but I love salsa ranch from Taco Cabana. So I got that, and it was H-E-B brand, so I was like, you can't go wrong. I don't think I showed y'all this either. I got blueberries. Child, I don't know what happened. But Yeah, guys, I'm just really excited to try out this new holistic lifestyle. You know, I just need to have like a more like feasible way of like eating, not feasible but more reasonable, because the stuff I was doing for the challenge, it works. Like, you know, I was able to lose weight really fast during that period, but maintaining the weight has been very difficult for me. I have gained some weight like in the last month. When I went to the nutrition, so I got on the scale and I was up like almost 15 pounds. So clearly like the maintenance part was not working for me, but I'm really excited to just get back on it, have like some, you know, good food that's sustainable. So when I get back down and lose to 15 pounds this time, I know it'll be something that I could be able to stick to, because it's like food that I enjoy. So I will let you guys know how it goes. Yeah, I'm really excited, guys. Like, I really am excited. Like, literally I've been in therapy for a month and I just feel like it's just awesome. Like, I know I said this last time, but guys, you really should like reach out, talk to people. Like, if you're going through something, don't be afraid to ask for help. Don't be afraid to talk to a therapist. Like, when I tell you it's been life-changing for me, it really has. Like, I'm literally about to start crying, because it's just like, dang, I wish I would have did this years ago. But it's really amazing. So like, I know in like the Black community, it's like frowned upon. Like, even with like my own family, like I'm like, oh, I'm in therapy, they're like, therapy. But it's just like, it's good. It's really good, guys. It's really amazing. I'm seeing the changes in just 1 month. Like, I've just done stuff that I would be too scared to do, or like, you know, it's just really good. So like, I want you guys to feel happy and feel good. And if you're ever going through something, like, you should really reach out to people. If you can't afford to go to therapy, there's like free people who provide therapy sessions and things like that. Just do your research and see. If I find some, I'll try to upload them. Honestly, don't hold me to it, because I'm so forgetful. I will forget like nobody's business. So don't hold me to it. But if you're going through something and you need some help, really just reach out. I wasn't even going through something like where I needed help. I just felt myself like kind of spiraling, like just kind of being in this place where I just felt so lost. I was just like, you know, I'm about to turn 27, like I have my career going, I have this things, like it was just so much going, adulting. I was just like adulting was stressing me out. So that's why I went, just to like have somebody to just like talk me through like coping skills and helping me out. So I'm gonna stop talking, because y'all are probably like, girl, we did not sign on to this video to hear about therapy, but it's amazing. I definitely think y'all should try it out. And I will be back with some more videos, guys. Hope you enjoy. Bye.